You want to make your video look like this or look like this or like this or like this. So it is all possible with the tool which I am going to cover in this video. It is the best alternative of Loom, and it not only record the videos but also edit your video, as I already saw. Like, you can change the layout whatever you want. You can use any type of layout as you are currently seeing in the screen right now. So it is all possible with the help of this tool. So I'm going to give you a complete tutorial of this tool in this video, so watch this video till the end. So the tool name is Tella, and if you want to use this tool absolutely free for next 7 days without giving your credit card detail, then a special link is in the video description. Definitely that's my affiliate link. So by using that link you can try Tella absolutely free for next 7 days without giving your credit card detail. And suppose if you want to upgrade to a paid plan after 7 days, then you will get 30% lifetime discount on any plan you choose. Okay, so must use that special link which is in the video description to try Tella without giving your credit card detail. Okay, so when you will create your Tella free account, then after that you can install its Chrome extension to record and edit your video, or you can install its web application. As you can see, let me show you. As you can see, I have installed it as a web application. You can also install it as an application, or you can use its Chrome extension. It is totally up to you. Now let me show you how you can record your videos using Tella. Okay, so when you will install Tella web application, then it will look like this. Okay, as you can see, just click on it and here you will get option to record your videos. So there is one good thing about Tella is that when you will click on record video, then as you can see, it has started recording your video 3 to 1, and now it is recording my video. And suppose I don't want this video whatever it has recorded, then so I can cancel it. Okay, I can start recording my video again. And suppose I recorded something. As you can see, it is currently recording my video 3 second, 4 second. Okay, as you can see. So suppose this video is not good, I want to re-record this video, then I don't need to click on cancel and then record. Then I can simply click on restart and it will again restart my recording from start. Okay, and next option is, there is one cool feature. Let me show you. When I will stop recording the video, then as you can see, it is showing one clip of 14 seconds. So suppose I want to record my video in parts. Suppose I want to record part 1, then part 2 video, then part 3 video, and then part 4 video. Then what I can do, as you can see, I have recorded part 1 video. And now suppose, let's say I want to record part 2 of video here. Then what I can do, I can again click on start. Okay, recording. And as you can see, the second recording has started. Okay, it is second clip, that is second part of my video. Okay, so as you can see, I am currently recording this video. So suppose recording has done, then again I can click on this stop button. So as you can see, now it is showing 2 clip and total length of this 2 clip is 24 seconds. And now suppose I want to record my part 3 of my video, then what I can do, I can click on this button again and I can record my videos in parts. Okay, and this is the part 3 of video. Okay, so let me click on stop. So suppose my video recording has complete. So when I will click on preview, then as you can see, it will open this video in editor, Tella editor directly, just like a Loom. Okay, but in Loom there is no feature to edit our video, but in Tella we have all the features. As you can see, this is clip 1, clip 2, clip 3. It is showing everything here. And suppose after editing my video I want to download it, then I can click on download, and there is option, I want to export this clip 1, clip 2, clip 3 individually. Like, I want to separately download these 3 clips, or I want to combine these 3 clips after editing and download it as a one video. So I will disable it, then it will download this 3 clip as one video. If I will enable it, then it will download this 3 video separately. I hope you understood. And there is one last feature. Let me show you. When you will click on this 3 dot, okay, then there is a speaker note section. You can paste your video script here, and during recording your video you can place this in front of you and you can just click on play and you can read the entire video script. So as you can see, it is automatically scrolling. I can read this script. So during recording it will appear here. When you will click on stop recording, then in your final video this box will not appear. So now let me show you how you can edit your video with Tella after recording your video. So when your recording will be done, then that video will appear in all videos section in Tella website in your account. So all you need to do is, suppose I want to edit this video, so I will click on it, and here you will get edit option. Just click on this edit option. Okay, so the very first option is trim option. Just go to the trim option, and here it will analyze your video and it will find all the silences and filler word like and all these things. Okay, so first we want to remove the buffer. Okay, and then next is silence. It will automatically remove silence. So just as you can see, it has detected 9 silences in my video. It means that there are 9 places where I speak nothing. Okay, so it will automatically remove. Just click on remove 9 silence, and as you can see, it removed all the silence part from the video. And next one is filler word. So there are 5 filler word. 5 times in this video I have said something like and like this, so it will remove all these filler words. Okay, and last one is edit by transcript. So if you want to edit your video, then you don't have to use this timestamp to edit your video. You can just edit it using text. Suppose I want to remove this part, okay, from the video, then I can select this and I can click on delete. So it will be removed from the video. And suppose by mistake I deleted this section, then I can select it and I can restore it. Okay, so you can edit your video by transcript. So next feature is zoom feature. So suppose if you want to add zoom effect in your video, then you can go to zoom effect, and there is auto zoom option, so you can use it. It will automatically add zoom effect based on your mouse position. Suppose if you are clicking anywhere on screen, then it will automatically add zoom effect in that particular part. Okay, so you can generate zoom using this option, or you can add it manually. So suppose at 23 seconds I want to add a zoom effect and I want to highlight, I want to zoom on this discussion tab. So what I can do, I can select the time, then I can click on add zoom, and here I can select the position. As you can see, this is the pointer I can select and I can place it over discussion. Okay, and now let me show you. When I will play this video, then it will add zoom effect in discussion tab. As you can see, it has added zoom effect in discussion tab. As
here is the option.
Okay, I hope you understood.
I don't find anything here.
So in this way you can manually add zoom effect, or you can use auto zoom feature. So next feature is layout feature. Okay, when you will click on this layout feature, then here is the multiple option. Okay, so first layout is this type. You can change the layout to this type, and also you can change the size if you want of anything. If you want to change the screen size, then you can change it. It is totally up to you. Okay, so second layout is this, next layout is this type. You can also add this type of layout, this type of layout, this type of layout. So there are multiple type of layout. As you can see, I am clicking on different type of layout option. You can add any type of layout, and suppose if you want to increase the size of this screen, then you can change it from here. You can easily adjust it, and there are multiple type of layout. Okay, so I am just clicking on all the layout types, so you can understand which type of layout is available in Tella. Okay, so as you can see, there are multiple type of layout available. Okay, and if you want a screen only type window, then there are 2 layout for this. Okay, and I want to show you one more thing. Suppose if you want to convert it into Instagram reel or YouTube shorts type video, then here is the, just click on portrait option and you can change it to this type of layout. Okay, as you can see, you can change it to this type of video to convert your screen recording into a YouTube shorts or Instagram reel type video. As you can see, you can easily change it to Instagram reel type video. Next one is square. If you want to convert this whatever you have recorded in square shape, then it is also possible. As you can see, there are multiple layout for this. Okay, as you can see, you can change the layout according to your requirement. Okay, so there are multiple layout option available. So let's select wide layout. Now let me show you how you can add different type of layouts in your video. Okay, so as you can see, suppose let me play this video first. So as you can see, suppose at 3 seconds I want to change the layout. So what I can do, I can click on this add layout button. Okay, and now as you can see, just select the red line, move it here, and let's change the layout to this one. Okay, so if I will play this video now, so as you can see, after 3 seconds it will change the layout. And let's say at this point I want different layout. So what I will do, I will select the position, I will click on add layout. Okay, and let's say I want to add this layout. Okay, so if I will play the video, then as you can see, layout has changed automatically from this point. Okay, so in this way you can change the layout. I hope you understood. Okay, so next is background option. So if you will go to background, then as you can see, there is white background. If you want to change it to let's say I want this background. Okay, so I will select it, and if I will play this video, then as you can see, background has changed. You can change your background using this option. Okay, so there are lots of different background, so you can change it from here. Okay, so next one is border option. So as you can see, if you want round type corner, so if you want a round type corner here, then you can change the shape. As you can see, this is round type shape and this is normal shape. Okay, so you want round type shape, then you can select it, and there is multiple style. If you don't want any border, as you can see, there is white border showing here. So if you want to remove it, then I can select this one, and if I want shadow type border, then I will select it. White by border, I will select this, and there is black border as well. Okay, as you can see, so you can select any type of border according to your need. Next one is subtitle. So suppose if you want to show subtitle here in your video, then you don't have to add it manually. Just go to subtitle tab and click enable this subtitle option, and here you can add any type of subtitle. Suppose I will select this one. So as you can see, it is showing the subtitle in the video. Okay, as you can see, it is looking very good. And if I want this type of subtitle, then I can select this type, and there are multiple type of subtitle. As you can see, it is totally up to you which one is looking currently good. Okay, so it is totally up to you.
This feature.
Next is mirror effect. So if you want to add mirror effect, as you can see, then you can click on mirror option. Okay, next is crop. So if you want to crop anything in your screen, suppose you want only this portion in your screen, then you can select it and just click on done, and you can change the size. Okay, as you can see, then you can customize anything according to your requirement. Okay, as you can see, so it is very easy. So as you can see, there are lots of features available inside Tella which are not available in Loom. So that's why I switched from Loom to Tella. And if you also want to try Tella absolutely free for next 7 days without giving your credit card detail, then a special link is in the video description. Definitely that's my affiliate link. So if you want to support my YouTube channel, then please use the link given in the video description to activate Tella 7 days free trial without giving your credit card detail. And there is one good news for you. When you will use the link given in the video description, then you not only get 7 days free trial without credit card, but also you will get 30% lifetime discount on any plan you choose. It means that suppose if after 7 days if you want to upgrade to any paid plan, then you will get 30% lifetime discount on any Tella plan. So now let me know via comment below which software is good according to you, Loom or Tella. I am waiting for your replies. If you found this video helpful and want more videos like this, then please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.